Hello students. In this part, I will give some question answers for class 8 students from the first chapter, that is topographical map. So, let us start with this. First question, what a topographic map? So, you will write a topographic map is a type of map characterized by large scale detail and quantitative representation of relief, usually using contour lines. Next, what are grid systems? We will write a grid is a set of lines used to find the exact location of places on a map. Next question, what are basic features of contour lines? So, the answer you will write a contour line is a line connecting places of equal elevation or height. Features, first point you will write two contour lines usually do not cross each other. Second point you will write a contour line is drawn to show places of equal heights. Then third one you will write contour lines and their shape represent the height and the slope or gradient of the landform, and this diagram you need to give you with your answer. Then what are the types of slopes? So, you will write there are four types of slope: gentle, steep, concave and convex slopes. Water settlements, explain the main types. So, there are two types of settlement, rural and urban. So, in the rural settlement you will write the types and the patterns of rural settlements. So, in the rural settlement you will write the types and the patterns of rural settlements include compact, semi-compact, dispersed and linear, etc. And in the urban settlement you will write the type of urban settlements and their functions include capital cities, administrative towns, religious towns, port towns, hill stations, etc. Next we will do the differentiate. First question, differentiate between nucleated and dispersed settlement. So, in the nucleated settlement you will write that the nucleated settlements are ones where the houses are grouped easily together, often around a central feature like a religious place, monuments, well or village pasture. New settlements are planned often have a nucleated pattern, and in the dispersed you will write they are the ones where the houses are spread out over a wide area. They are often the homes of farmers and can be found in the rural areas. So, after writing the description in the nucleated and dispersed settlement, you will give this symbol with the differentiate. The next question is the differentiate between concave slope and convex slope. So, you will write in the concave slope the contours are wide apart in the lower part and closely spaced in the upper part of the slope, and in the convex you will write the contours are closely spaced in the lower part and widely spaced in the upper part of the slope with these two diagrams. Next, U-shaped valley and V-shaped valley. In the U-shaped valley you will write it is formed by strong lateral erosion of glaciers at high altitude. It resembles letter U, and in the V-shaped you will write it resembles the letter V. It occurs in the mountainous areas, and with this diagram. Next, eastings and northings. So, the vertical lines are called eastings. They are numbered from west to east, and horizontal lines are called northings. They are numbered from south to north with this diagram. These are all the exercise question answers. Remember, you need to learn the chapter so that you can easily answer the inside question.